Hello everybody, it's Nick here with Nick Tolman Music, and today we're going to go ahead and kick off a brand new guitar series using Hal Leonard's Guitar Method Grade 1. Over the years, I've used a lot of different guitar method books to help people learn guitar. And this is one that I come back to specifically for two types of people. One is people who have never had any experience at all with music. They've never tried to learn an instrument. They've never learned how to read notes. They've never taken piano lessons or anything. So it's a really great resource for people who are at ground zero. They know nothing about music. It's also really good for kids. Now, the book it's not made for kids, but it is really good for kids because it moves slowly and it's very simple, especially starting out. It's really great for the ultimate beginner. So let's go ahead and dive in. So today I'm going to go ahead and play the first exercise and the last exercise of this book so you can see exactly what you can expect to learn as you go through this series, and we'll dive in from there. So here we go. All right, I've got my metronome set to 72, and here is exercise number 1. 1, 2, ready, and play. All right, that's a really standard first exercise for a method book. It's just whole notes. It's just notes on the first string. Very simple. You could learn to play it in 5 minutes or less. You could learn to play it in 30 seconds. Very easy. Let's take a look at the last exercise here. 1 and 2 and ready and... And there it is. That's the last exercise of the book. You can see exactly where you're going to be able to go if you use this book and follow this method. Please stay tuned for future lessons in this series using Hal Leonard's Guitar Method, Book 1.